I'm Kwik Draw Katie, and I'm here today with Wendy, Joe, and her friend VIPPI Mouse.
Scared you, didn't I? But I always have my own mic, because the power of your voice comes in mighty handy.
Wow, I thought I was the Kwik Draw.
How'd you get the name Kwik Draw?
You'll see.
Howdy, partners. I'm Wild West Wendy Joe, but you can call me Joe.
What are you doing today?
Well, my sidekick and I, VIPPI Mouse, are out getting supplies for our next treasure quest, and, that there is VIPPI.
What's he doing?
Well, you know, VIPPI is a VIP investigator and treasure hunting navigator. He's the world's most expert on just about everything very important. We're on a quest for golden nuggets in the West, searching for treasures of the nicest kind.
Wow, I love treasure hunting. What treasure is he searching for today?
Well, at the moment, he's searching for clues and solutions to a very important problem. Hey, VIPPI, what's the problem? VIPPI's a little short on words, but I think he's gonna show us. By golly, it looks like a letter. Dear VIPPI, I have a very important problem and I don't know what to do. There are some kids at school that are bullying me and I feel sad and powerless to stop it. Can you investigate and help me find some solutions? Your friend, Marcus. Now that's a problem I can relate to. Hey VIPPI, have you come up with a solution yet?
Look, I think VIPPI might have found a solution.
So VIPPI, are you trying to tell us you got a solution?
Another book?
Yep, another good book. A very important power. A really, really important power. Hey, wait a minute, VIPPI. Is that what I think it is? Is that cheese again? Hey, VIPPI, we ain't got all day. You were looking for clues to help with Marcus's problem.
Eureka!
Eureka is right. That's a pretty good one, VIPPI. This golden nugget of wisdom is what I call a picker. Hey, VIPPI, let's give Kwik Draw Katie the honors of reading it aloud, okay? But wait, hold on to your britches. First, she's got to wear the VIP expert badge. Don't be shy now. Use your power of voice and tell us what it says.
It says choice.
Let's see. In here it says that everyone has the very important power of choice, which can include being reactive or proactive. Different problems call for different solutions. Kwik Draw, using the power of choice, what do you think are the best solutions to bullying, besides making broth?
Well, he could choose to talk to his parents or teacher. He can always stand up and say, that's not okay. He could always choose to walk away to a safer place.
Those are great solutions, Kwik Draw. He could also choose not to react to them. And the most powerful of all, he could choose to feel good about himself no matter what others say and do. Speaking of others, what powerful choices could the other rascals make?
Well, they can all choose kindness.
Eureka! There's always a solution.
And instead of being a bystander, be an upstander.
You're pretty smart there, Kwik Draw. Do you feel the power in those choices?
Hey, that's so easy, it's almost cheesy.
Looks like VIPPI's got his thinking cap on. Okay, kids. If you're on a treasure hunt and you have a very important problem or solution that you'd like VIPPI to investigate, you can write to him at vippi@sul.com or go to our website, VIPPIMouse.com. If your letter is featured on our show, we'll send you a copy of VIPPI's book, Always a Solution. And when you go to our website, you can download one of Kwik Draw's free coloring pages. Kwik Draw? Is that a drawing of VIPPI?
That's why they call me Kwik Draw.
Now let's celebrate and do the VIPPI Eureka dance.
VIPPI Mouse, the VIP investigator. VIPPI Mouse, the treasure hunting navigator.